Yeah.
Did you know that Jesus was an actor?
Right. Also, you know what a Democrat's job is, don't you, besides following the letter parts of the Bible? The Democrat's job is to fund the war so we can see who wins it, record the calls so we can see who made it, bomb the compound so we can see who got it. But you got to do it in that order. Because you can't know who's going to get it until after you bomb it. You can't just go around knowing who you're going to bomb. You have to bomb first and then find out who got it. So you bomb the compound first, and then you dig through the rubble, and then you see who got it. Right? And then the first thing you got to do before that is you got to record the call to see who made it. Because otherwise, you're just going to be knowing whose phone calls you're going to. You can't just know whose calls you're going to make and then record those calls. How are you going to do that? You're going to know. Are you telling me that you're going to know whose calls you're going to record, and then you're going to record those calls? No. You got to record the call, then see who made it. You record the call to see who made it. You bomb the compound and see who got it. So before that, you got to fund the war to see who wins it. Because these things, I mean, I'm telling you, they can go on forever. You got to fund the war to see who wins it. How are you going to know who wins it unless you fund it? Right? Somebody's got to fund it. Somebody's got to win it. How are you going to know unless you fund it? That's the job of a Democrat. Fund the war, see who wins it, record the call to see who made it, bomb the compound, see who got it. But before that, you got to start the war to see who profits. Because how are you going to profit unless you started it? And what's the point of starting a war unless you're going to profit? And so that's my job as a Democrat. Of course, the first thing I do is pass the bill to see what's in it. So, now, one more thing, I'll leave you with this.
Society.
And here's where the Christian joins the conversation. Take a look at the behavior of Christians.
And then also, the next thing the church has an obligation to do is...
Did you know that Jesus was an actor? Did you know that Jesus was an actor?